Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a pumpkin. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're gonna draw a pumpkin because Halloween is coming and I hope you like this lesson. I'm going to start in the middle of the paper and I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna put a little dot, and from this dot I'm gonna do a curve that goes to the right. So I cross my dot and I'm going down and I'm gonna stop right there. Let's do the same on the left side. And now I have here two curves from where I start, one to the right and the other one to the left. Now let's do two more. The next one is gonna go here in the middle of this curve. I'm going up a little and I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna start going curve and going down. And in the other side we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start here on the top, we're gonna start curving down and I'm gonna go slow so my curves are a little bit more straight and I'm gonna stop at the same distance. Now let's do the face and I'm gonna start with the mouth. I'm gonna do it down here and I'm gonna leave about a finger space from the lines to where my mouth is gonna start. And I'm gonna do first a curve. And I'm gonna go here in the middle, a little square shape. And now another curve. This is the bottom part, so I'm gonna go up with two lines, a little diagonal. And now I'm gonna do a triangle shape. One and another one right here too. And in the middle, we're just gonna join with a line. Okay? On top of the mouth, we're gonna do the nose and it's gonna be a triangle, a little triangle. Like that. And now let's do the eyes. The eyes are gonna be round and big. So I'm gonna start doing on the left side a big circle. And I'm going slow. And let's do one more here on the right side. Like that. And we're gonna put inside here from the middle, I'm gonna go doing a curve like a moon shape. And here the same thing, from the middle I'm gonna start going curve down and joining in the middle. And that makes it look a little 3D. On the top, we're gonna do the stem doing a rectangle shape, and on one of the sides is a little curve. Next thing will be to do the foliage on all the full leaves that I have here on the bottom, and we're gonna do two models. The first one is gonna look like this with a point, and I'm gonna put a line in the middle. And the second way, it will be putting letter U's that go all together. And in the middle goes one alone, and then we start doing more letter U's on the other side. Okay, so this is the two ways that I'm gonna do the leaves, and I'm gonna repeat all these ones in different directions and different sizes. This part of the video is gonna go a little faster, but remember, you can stop the video until you finished. Okay, now that we have all the little leaves here in the bottom, you can add way more than this. And I'm gonna do some more in behind the pumpkin. I'm gonna start here with a line and I'm gonna do from here my first shape. Okay, now let's do the other shape that we learned by doing a line and doing the letter U's. And there, that's it. We finished this pumpkin that is ready for Halloween. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my pumpkin looks now that I put all the colors. I use a lot of warm colors like yellow, red, some brown. And you can mix all these colors as you want it. You can put all the leaves yellow or all the leaves in different colors. And in the pumpkin, I wait for this orange color to get dry, and with the same color I went underneath the eyes and tracing some lines to give them a little bit of a 3D shape. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!